If we get a wet autumn and you can't get on the soil and you want to plant things, particularly garlic which is planted in the autumn, there's another way around it, and it's also good for giving you an early start. You start off with a bulb, you break it up into the cloves. You have a pot of compost, something like a bulb bowl is fine. You just insert the cloves, give them plenty of room, and always pick the biggest and strongest. You can always use the little ones for cooking. Leave it like that. Don't forget to put in a label. Put this somewhere cool over winter because garlic needs cold to do well the following year. And then by next spring, this pot will be full of roots and you can actually knock the thing out as a whole and plant it in the ground. It gives you an earlier start and it also gets around the problem of a wet autumn. We hope you found this video useful. Please remember to press the like button, share the content with your friends and subscribe to get more gardening videos.